Sacred dance is an ancient art, perhaps the first form of healing and prayer. Traditionally, people from all over the world danced in ceremony to pray for guidance, for food, for peace, for healing. They danced in grief, in gratitude, and in celebration. In ancient times, the physical body was central to prayer. To access our spirit, we do not transcend the body by rising up above it, but instead we descend into the body to access our soul. The healing power of dance lies in the simple fact that while dancing, we create a bridge between the earthly plane and the spiritual realm. There, dancing between the two worlds, we can hear the guidance from our own spirit and from our ancestors. Between the worlds, we can literally plug into the loving divine energy which brings us healing. This winter, I will be leading an immersion into this ancient practice of sacred dance. Winter is the perfect time to go deeply within and resolve the past, creating change in our lives. I will be teaching traditional dances from around the world, as well as guiding you through moving meditations to explore your own style of sacred dance. As our ancestors did, we will be dancing in imitation of nature, activating the 5 elemental energies within ourselves of water, earth, fire, air, and spirit. We will also learn how to connect with our life force energy, learning how to circulate it through our bodies in order to create transformation of our wounds back into love and divine power. The immersion will be a 4-month journey of healing, including 3 private sessions and 3 weekend workshops. The private sessions will help each participant to focus on a specific personal issue that they wish to transform. And the weekend workshops will provide an opportunity for support from the group. The immersion is available to anyone who wishes to heal any manner of wounds, whether it be physical, emotional, or spiritual. No, you do not need any dance experience to participate. And yes, this is an appropriate space for those who are recovering from trauma or abuse, but not limited to those issues. All manner of wounds can be addressed, whether they stem from this lifetime, past lifetimes, or your ancestral lineage. The space in the immersion will be limited to 9 participants in order to create a safe, close-knit group. So if you are ready to begin embodied healing through movement, please register now.